children, today we are going to make a puppet, crow puppet, hand puppet with paper bags. So what do you need? One paper bag, two hand cutouts. You just trace your hand on a black paper and ask Mama to cut it. Two white circles and one black colored triangle. So let's make all the things. You start coloring. First of all, take black color and start coloring it. And the whole bag, you have to color the whole bag with black crayons. Now take the Fevicol and put now paste two circles here for eyes. Take other, put some glue and paste it here. Now you will take this, put some Fevicol and take here like this, and here also you will paste like this, and this triangle you will make, it's a beak, crow's beak, triangle beak. And now this is your crow puppet. You put the hand here, now hand inside, and your crow puppet is ready. Put the hand in this, here you will put inside the bag your hand, and crow puppet is ready. So kids, you also make this puppet and